All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
France is considering purchasing the Indian 214mm Pinaka MBRLS multiple barrel rocket launch system as part of its program to replace the American M270 MLRS missile systems. France's interest in the Pinaka system is surprising because several European countries are contemplating purchasing the Israeli Pulse multi-caliber rocket system as a replacement for the M270 MLRS. Pulse multi-caliber rocket system. The Israeli Pulse, Precise and Universal Launching System is an advanced, modular, multi-caliber rocket artillery system developed by Israel's Elbit Systems. Designed for maximum flexibility, Pulse supports a range of rocket calibers, enabling operators to choose different munitions based on mission requirements. Pulse can launch 122mm rockets with 40 km range, 160mm rockets with 45 km range, 306mm rockets with 150 km range, heavy rockets and missiles like the Extra and Predator Hawk, capable of 300 km range. Pulse uses a modular architecture and is designed to be platform agnostic. It can be integrated on a variety of wheeled or tracked chassis, including 4x4, 6x6, and 8x8 configurations. The system can be configured for different terrains, such as open deserts, urban areas, or rugged mountainous regions. Pulse can be integrated into existing command and control networks or operate autonomously, receiving targeting data directly from UAVs, radar, or forward observers. Its versatility, combined with precise targeting capabilities, makes it highly suitable for modern battlefield environments where adaptability, speed, and accuracy are critical. Pinaka MBRLS. India's Pinaka Mk.2 is an advanced MBRLS developed by the Defence Research and Development Organization, DRDO. Pinaka Mk.2 is an extensive upgrade to the Pinaka Mk.1 MBRLS, which the DRDO developed to replace the obsolescent Russian Grad BM-21. Pinaka Mk.1 MBRLS. The Pinaka Mk.1 is a free-flight artillery rocket area bombardment system designed to supplement the Indian Army's existing 105mm artillery guns, which have a range of 37.5 kilometers. Featuring quick reaction time and a high rate of fire, a single Pinaka system fires a salvo of 12 He rockets from a multi-barrel launcher in 44 seconds. A 214mm bow Pinaka rocket has a payload of 100 kilograms. A salvo fire can neutralize an area of 1000 by 800 meters. It can be fitted with various warheads, such as anti-tank mines and blast-compre fragmented high explosives. Pinaka Mark I development started in 1988, and a prototype version was deployed in combat in the Kargil War of 1999. After it was proven in user trials in 2002, production orders were placed. As of November 2020, 4 Pinaka regiments were in service, and another 6 were under procurement. Pinaka Mk.2 MBRLS. Pinaka Mk.2 214mm rockets feature a 250 kg warhead and use a new propulsion system with canard-based aerodynamic controls. They have an extended range of up to 60 to 75 km, significantly greater than the 40 km range of the Mk.1 version. Additionally, the rockets are guided to their target using a combination of inertial navigation, INS, and satellite navigation, SATCOM. Pinaka Mk.2 includes a digital fire control system, FCS, that coordinates with Battlefield Command and Control, C2, systems. Mounted on a Tatra high-mobility vehicle, the Pinaka Mk.2 system is designed for quick deployment and shoot-and-scoot tactics, allowing it to evade enemy counter-battery fire. Why France wants Pinaka, not Pulse? Clearly, the Israeli Pulse MLRS is more potent and versatile than the Pinaka Mk.2. It's being speculated that France is looking at the Pinaka, not the Pulse like other EU nations, because of its recent fallout with Israel over the latter's brutality against the Palestinians in Gaza and Lebanon. Of course, the French don't say that. French Army's Brigadier General Stéphane Richoux told Annie, "We are evaluating the Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher system because we need a system like that. We are evaluating the system among the other systems offered by the top countries offering such systems. India is among the top countries producing weapons." He said, "This is much more than business partnership, and this is cooperation, and this is a common future together." It's interesting to note that the DRDO earlier partnered with Sagem of France to improve the accuracy of the Pinaka rockets. In June 2010, Sagem reportedly delivered its Sigma 30 ring laser gyroscope (RLG) system for integration with two Pinaka regiments. The system was to be integrated by Tata Power SED and Larsen and Toubro. Unlike conventional gyros, RLGs are very accurate and robust. An RLS-based system can accurately track a rocket's flight path and provide guidance inputs in the absence of SATNAV signals due to jamming. The Sigma 30 system can be used with a wide range of artillery platforms, including self-propelled howitzers, mortars, and multiple rocket launchers. It is also compatible with various fire control systems, enabling seamless integration with existing artillery and command systems. It's highly likely that the Sigma 30 RLG has been integrated into series production Pinaka Mk2 rockets. Using a combination of Sigma 30 INS and SATNAV, Pinaka Mk2 rockets can achieve an accuracy of less than 30 meters. During trials, DRDO officials claimed that the rockets could strike within 10 meters of the target. This high accuracy means that just two, Pinaka Mk.2, rockets must be fired to assure a kill probability of more than 99%, said Dr. V. Venkateswara Rao, the ARDE director. Assured upgrades. The Indian Army has given ARDE the nod for developing Pinaka MBRL, multiple barrel rocket launcher, variants with 120 km and 300 km range. It's not known if the longer-range Pinaka missiles proposed for development will feature terminal guidance.